Hi, let me show you how to create grid lines, which are also known as construction lines or reference lines. To draw grid lines, you will use the tape measure tool. The tape measure allows you to do two things. You can measure lengths by selecting endpoints, or you can create grids by selecting edges. Grids are very useful for planning and drafting. However, because it is not part of the Plusspec toolset, it will not automatically be assigned to the correct layer, so you will have to do it manually. Before you draw grids, ensure that you have activated the grid layer. As soon as you have created a scene using the Generate Scenes tool in Plusspec, the grid layer will automatically be created. So all you need to do is activate it, and every time now that you draw a grid or a line, it will be associated to that layer. Just make sure you go back to layer 0, as it's best to keep that as the default. And if you do draw your grids or lines on layer 0, you can always assign them to another layer at a later date. And the way to do that is just select the ones that you want to assign, go up into the list and assign it to the correct layer, which in this case is the grid layer. In the default Plusspec floor plans, the grid lines may have been set to white. If this is the case, make them visible by assigning the grid layer a color. You can make them black, or you can assign them a color. The choice is yours. Now just make sure you update the scene by right-clicking and selecting Update.